What's up, everybody? I am the Wizard of Wall Street, and today we're going to be going over our Week 2 portfolio update on the $1,000 to $100,000 Robinhood Challenge. And as you can see, we are up for the week $789, up 48%. For the month so far, we are up 55%, $864. Started at 15. At 24, and if you can see over here where the kind of the positions that I made right now, I got LI, I got a debit spread on LI, and I'm still up 104 on this one. ARO, I did a call on ARO. This one's a $10 call, so I got that credit up front. Doing another call here, and I'm pretty much been doing calls off of these shares that I own here. And the thing that sucks was one of my my bank kind of messed up my account a bit when I was transferring my stimulus check. The bank put it on hold from one of my banks when I transferred from my main check-ins to another investing bank that I use. The investing bank put my funds on hold for a bit because it was a large transaction, I guess. So when Robinhood tried to take it out, it did a reversal and put my account in this weird account, this weird fucking thing. So it kind of canceled my trading from Thursday to Friday, so I couldn't actively trade. Now it's resolved, but it's just annoying that I have to wait until my funds got off hold from my bank. Anyways, as you can see, some of the positions that I took here was I took Workhorse. This FII, if you don't know what this FII is, guys, this company is this FII here is a merger company that's going to turn into a electric vehicle company. It's going to actually be pretty cool. Just check this out. Just do a quick Google search over FII, and you can check that out for yourself. Solo, this one, I did this one as well. ARO and IDEX. This IDEX, I should have invested more. I knew I was investing more when I looked at my my technical analysis. I'll switch over. On my technical analysis here, on the 18th, it was a good buy signal here. And then right after that, on the 22nd, it pushed out a long signal. From here, I should have put in a long position. And it did it again here. As you can see, pushed out here. This green, saying, hey, indicated that we're in a bull run. And then this long signal popped out. So here, man, I should have knew. I should have bought more in at 2. I should have probably bought 800 shares, but I don't know what I was thinking. At the time, I think my account was pretty small, so I didn't, I got what I could. And, man, I wish I could have just got more. I would have got some good returns on that. But this is kind of the technical analysis that I use to help me indicate. And these are really good. These indicators are really good. As you can see, boom, pops out green, long pops, then you just, you go in, go long, same thing. Long pops, green, long, you just wait. So, these indicators are amazing. If you want these indicators, put a comment down, and I'll do a video walk you through how to set this up. If you get enough comments and enough likes, I will do a video on this. This helps me a lot making money. It lets me know when to get in. We can research anything, and let's do solo. And I'll show y'all how great these indicators are, man. Let's just take this example right here. Boom, green, long. Look at that. Boom. Sometimes it pops up, but you got to use your better judgment. Obviously, if it pops along here, you're going to have to make a judgment since it's up here. It's overbought. This position, I wouldn't buy. Even though it popped up that high, I still wouldn't buy just because of this is overbought zone. These are the kind of zones I look into when it's kind of down here usually, and it pops with the long signal. Sometimes it's here's a good one. This one seems like this one's gonna pop soon too. Notice here, boom, green, change indicated. This triangle means there's a change in the market. Another long pop. It popped back down a little bit, but I'm sure it's gonna eventually pop right back up again. So, these are pretty good, man. I really like these, and I usually use this only on a 4-hour. I do not use this on a 1 hour. I would not use this on a 1 hour. It's harder to read on the 1 hour. You can be off a lot on the 1 hour. I'm gonna use this indicator on a 4 hour, or you could even use it on probably use it on a day. A day will probably work as well too. Never used it on a day, but it might work. I stick with 4 hours on this. All right, let's go back. Sorry, got off track a bit. Anyways, 200 shares of IDEX put me in a lot. Got me $200 on this. I'm gonna keep these for the long run because these deal with electric vehicles, and as you can see, a majority of my shares are electric vehicles. Because I think as this new administration comes in, they're gonna push a bunch of energy efficient stuff, and I think that this whole next year is gonna be all about solar and wind and electric stuff. So get in while it's cheap. Right now it's only $3, so there's like $3.50 I think. So might as well get in while you're cheap. BTU got on this one, up $30 on that. Mark up 7, and then GSAT. I think this one I saw that it was has some good indications, and that's why I got it on this one. Remember where I got in? I got in right here. I got a link right here. Noticed that it was a big short. Then there's green pop, then the long pop, then I bought it somewhere like here. I bought it somewhere like here, somewhere in this area. I picked up some pretty good returns, some pretty quick returns on that one. So that's pretty awesome. Tomorrow I'll do my watch list, guys. You can check my watch list out tomorrow. I got some cool stuff I'm looking into that I'm probably going to start positioning myself into. I'm going to do some leap calls. If you don't know what leap calls are, I'll give you kind of a brief description. So leap calls pretty much, let's do a leap call for, let's do this one, I guess. I'll give you a quick description of what leap call is. So leap call, in other words, I'm going to do a long call, but I'm going to do a long call, and I'm going to stretch it out all the way over here to the 2022, and pretty much what it is you're gonna buy something that's in the money. So something like let's see, this one. I mean, might as well just get here. So pretty much you're gonna get this one here. The break even is 324, and it's not even that far from 324. So eventually this is gonna pass 324, and I already passed my break even. So anything other than past that 324 is gonna be pretty much profit. And I can cash out, or I can even exercise. The main goal of a leap is depends on how volatile it is, volume. So there's a lot of volume on this one. Look at that. So yeah, so you can get out, you can get in this one and get out of this one. But if you couldn't get out of it, say there's a zero volume, what you could do is just exercise it. Whenever you buy it, you could exercise it, and then you're pretty much owning those shares at this price. But say this price ended up going to 450. So then what you would do is you subtract the 450 from the 324, and then that's going to be pretty much your profit, because you're exercising. You're buying these 100 shares for $50, but you already paid this in premium. So you got to, 50 plus this actually equals this. So you're paid $324. But if it goes to $4, you're making that difference. You know what I'm saying? You're making that difference once you exercise those 100 shares. So you can go back and sell those 100 shares into the market and make that profit. So I kind of like leap, for that sense. It's kind of a sense of you're owning those 100 shares, but really not owning them. So you have the opportunity to own them if you wanted to at a discounted price. I'll make a video on it. Just kind of going over leap and the huge advantages of it that I like. But that's a quick example of kind of what leap is. And you can see, my account's already been covered, but it kind of sucks, man. It fucked me over. Man. I had some good positions and stuff that I wanted to sell. I wanted to sell this, but I can't. So I have to wait now. It's kind of shitty. Anyways, this is it for this video, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you get enough comments. Like I said, I'll do a video going over my technical analysis, what to look for, how to set it up, how to read it, and stuff like that for my TA that I use. That TA will help you a lot when it comes to, if you're a really good, especially if you're really, if you're a bull or a bear, because that thing is absolutely amazing, man. I love this thing. This thing is set up perfectly. And even if you want to short it, look at this. You can short it too. is a perfect way, way overbought. Boom, a short pops, and look at that, you can short it down as well. So I mean, if you want to learn this thing, drop some likes, drop some comments, let me know that you're interested in doing that, and I'll go make a video for that, let you know how to set it up. And this is just trading view, and walk you through that. But other than that, guys, you have a great day. Stay tuned tomorrow for my watch list. We'll go over some things that I'm looking into to buy, some things that I'm going to sell, some things I'll position myself in for the long term. So stay tuned, guys, and you have a great day.